Happy holidays, guys. Happy holidays. And you know it's coming on to Christmas, so you know I have to make you guys a Jamaican fruit cake, Christmas cake we call it too, and birthday cake, wedding cake, you know. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna make you the Jamaican famous Christmas cake, right?
And guys, these are our ingredients: 3 cups of flour. You want to remember to also preheat your oven. And I had ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon mix spice, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon baking powder, 6 eggs, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1½ cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons vanilla. We had browning. We also have almond flavor. We have rose water. We have lemon zest, and we also use lemon juice. Okay, guys, we're also gonna use red label, white rum, and we are using 4 cups of blended fruits.
So these are my ingredients, guys, so I'm gonna show you know what to do, right? And these steps are pretty easy.
So you want to start by sieving your flour. We're also gonna add baking powder. We are gonna add the nutmeg. We are gonna add the cinnamon. We're gonna add the salt, and we are gonna add the mixed spice. So you want to sieve that and mix it together.
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna cream my sugar and my butter. All right.
So guys, here we're using the 1½ cup of sugar, the 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and we are gonna use the mixer and mix that in. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs, 2 more eggs, and we add in 2 more eggs. We're gonna use our lemon zest, 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and we're gonna mix that in. Now we're gonna add the almond flavor. Now we are adding the rose water, and we are adding the vanilla extract.
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna add my blended fruits, right?
And right here, guys, we are using 4 cups of blended fruit. The link to that video is in the right hand corner. Okay, guys, we are gonna re-sieve the existing mixture that we sieved before. And you want to cut and fold, and you're gonna do it portion by portion and cut and fold. So you continue cut and fold until you get a smooth mix. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of red label wine. Also, we're gonna have 1 tablespoon of white rum. All right, and you're gonna continue mixing by cut and fold. Guys, right here we are using 3 tablespoons of browning at this juncture, and in total we use 5 tablespoons. And guys, you add the browning as you desire to get the darkness that you like. So you continue to cut and fold. Now we are gonna add an additional 1/4 cup of red label wine. Continue to cut and fold. Give it that good consistency. And look at that, guys, beautiful. So there's our baking tin already buttered and floured. All right, guys, so you make sure you try and get out all the air pockets by giving it a good shake and a good tap. All right, guys, and we are gonna bake these for 1 hour, and you will see the results. Okay, guys, and that's the final results right there, looking lovely. And I should also let you know that after we take it out of the oven, we spray it with some red label wine and let it cool. Enjoy the slice from BLFTv to you. Catch you on the next one.
BLFTv.
Boss Lady Finer TV.
BLFTv.
Boss Lady TV.
BLFTV.
BLFTv, and them lock the road.
You know the style. Boss Lady Finer.